To manage call barring in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open our phone dialer. Next step is to click on these three lines in the top left corner of the screen and move into the settings. After that, we'll be able to find the calling account. We can enter operator related settings and go for the call barring. That way you can find all of the settings for call barring and you can manage them however you like. So there's all outgoing calls that you can enable or disable, outgoing international calls that you can enable or disable, outgoing international roaming calls that you can enable or disable. In incoming call barring, you can change reject all incoming calls to enable, reject incoming calls while roaming to enable, cancel all of the restrictions, and change the barring restrictions. You can click on each of those options to enter the specified behavior. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.